The caveman used to live in the caves because he didn't know how to make homes. Later, he learned how to use branches, leaves and then mud. And then he also started making small units of mud. But today, we have properly baked bricks. So, these bricks are laid one above the other and we get a building or a wall or a house. It's that simple. So, have you ever wondered how a living body is made of? Of course, you don't need to wonder. Today, even a small child knows that the living body is made up of cells. However, this was not so simple in 17th century. There were no microscopes, no magnifying glasses. People didn't know anything that they could not see with their naked eye. At that time, there was a scientist, Robert Hooke. He, for the first time, made a magnifying glass, or you can say a simple, crude type of microscope. Under that, he took a piece from the bark of the plant, which we today call as cork. So, he saw these slices of cork under the crude form of microscope. And what did he see? It is not a smooth one kind of thing. Instead, it is made up of many tiny compartments like this. So, he termed it like a cell. The meaning of a cell is a tiny room. You know, even in the jails they say that the criminal was put in the cell because cell only means a small room. So, the living body is made up of cells. That is what Robert Hooke told us, and that was in 1665.